Okay, so we're inside DxO PhotoLab, and I wanted just to demonstrate the power of the denoising inside DxO. Now, this is an image I came across. I was preparing some images for future tutorials, and I came across this picture that I actually shot on my, would you believe it, Sony RX100 VII. And if we go into the photo library panel, we go over here on the right hand side, you can see that this was shot at 5000 ISO. So that's super high for a camera like this with a small sensor. F2.8, 2/50th of a second. And yeah, this is raw. It was shot in manual mode. So let's go back to customize and let's have a look at this in detail, because I'm really taken back of how incredibly powerful this denoising is with the DeepPRIME XD3. So if we zoom in and just have a little closer look at this. So this is our before and after, and it's incredibly noisy. Obviously, that's why I wanted to demonstrate this, but it's just, these are all default settings that I'm using. And if we just turn off the compare, let's turn that off. If we just take this back to the original form, so let's go to reset. So this is the original image, the raw original image with all its amazing noise. And then all I did was come across over here to the detail panel and scroll down to the denoising and demosaicing, clicked on DeepPRIME XD3, wait for it to do its thing. As you can see, it's all set on default. So I'm not tweaking anything. I'm just using the most powerful part of the denoising system inside DxO. So yeah, it's still doing its corrections. I've got a few other programs open, so it will take a little while to do that. Anyway, whilst we're waiting, I have a 15% discount off DxO PhotoLab and any of the DxO software. If you're new to DxO, then take advantage of this. You can try DxO for 30 days for free, and if it fits into your workflow, then please feel free to go ahead and use my 15% discount, which I'll leave details of in the description below. So here we are. We have now our denoised image, and it just looks absolutely incredible. If we zoom in, so here's our before and after. Let's zoom in a bit more. So look at that. Look at all that noise down here and look how much it's cleaned it up. I know this might be a long video for something so simplistic, but I genuinely was really impressed with what this has done. Anyway, go ahead and try it on your images. As I said, you can try DxO PhotoLab for free for 30 days. So there's no reason why you can't just go and try one of your images and see how powerful this actually is. I do have a DxO PhotoLab course I made. And again, I will link that in the description below. This is a beginner's course and it goes over a lot of the functionality of DxO in the most simplistic form. And I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.